For this problem, we are finding the vertex. While I can do it using completing the square, I'm actually going to use the other method, which also works for getting graphing form. For those of you who don't like to complete the square, we start by finding negative b over 2a. This will be the x coordinate of our vertex. So negative b over 2a, I have a, b, and c here. A is positive 2, b is negative 6, and c is positive 18. Negative b is negative 6. 2a is 2 times 2. So this turns into positive 6 over 4, or 1.5. That's going to be the x value of my vertex. So we're going to plug that into the original equation to find the y value. I, instead of using 1.5, decided to do this with 3/2, which is the fraction form of that. If you would rather do it with 1.5, it won't affect the answer at all. So 2 times 3/2 squared minus 6 times 3/2 plus 18. 3/2 squared is 9/4 times 2 minus 6 times 3 is 18 over 2 and plus 18. 2 times 9/4 gives me 18/4. 18 over 2 gives me a minus 9, and I have plus 18. 18 and minus 9 make a plus 9. And then to add them, we need a common denominator, so I multiply this by 4 over 4. That gives me 36 over 4. So I'm adding 18/4 and 36/4, which gives me 54/4. Then we're just reducing. 4 goes into 54 13 times, with 2 left over. 13 and 2/4, or 13 and a half would then be my answer.